it's our first project.
Flip, I can't see your face. There you are.
It's our first project. Yeah.
Kind of. Wait a minute, we did some projects inside.
Wow. Yeah. Our first project in its new home. How's that?
Yeah, there you go.
We got to pull every port window and porthole and hatch and reseal them. And these, as funny as it is that they are stuck in pretty darn tight, they have been leaking badly over the years. So
how's the water getting in if it's so tight?
Well, it's not tight everywhere, but it looks like they were installed at the factory just using silicone, which is not a good product to use to seal permanently. So
Why
we're going to
not?
be ever so gently trying to remove them without breaking anything. And
What's wrong with the silicone?
silicone just doesn't hold up long term. We'll be using 3M 4200.
Oh wait, there it is.
4200 is actually
Okay, Vanna, let's see your nice other hand down the side.
4200 is going to go underneath. It is not a UV resistant sealant though, so it will be what seals the unit to the glass. But then if we do we'll do an edge sealant on that, and that'll probably be 4000, which is a UV resistant sealant, a paintable UV resistant sealant. So at this point right now, though, we need to get it watertight to prevent any future damage. So fun. See if I can get this going without breaking anymore. You can see that this window actually has already been broken. So it'll be interesting to see how it comes out, if it can come out in one piece. So,
Oh, right there, I see it, yeah.
So we can have a glass company replace it with a nice template, or if I break it into a million pieces, taking it out. We will find out.
Well, it depends on how frustrated you get, probably.
Or the other way around. It's held pretty good though.
Alright. Jason. Okay, Jason's back outside. We're gonna pull away at this one here at the top while he tries to get the screws. Yeah, I'm pulling away. There. Well, you could take that as it fell off.
Can you push this screw right here out?
Oh, I see it. Yeah. Got it?
The bottom, there's only the corner screw, so if you put very light pressure on the bottom, it should pull right away. Got it?
I'm barely holding it.
Alright, that should come off. Not.
We're gonna replace it with the same type of window.
Replaced with glass, but it's definitely not going to be replaced with silicone, and I don't know, we'll have to see how this is put together, but really not my favorite, not a great design.
The window, you mean?
Yeah.
Let's see if it could be something we could open.
Well, we got two opening windows
Oh, that's true.
Right now, what we need is,
That one.
I think if we just had a breeze right now, you'd notice a significant difference. There's your water penetration.
Right there. Corner.
Well, some of it, I mean. Probably the biggest portion right there, isn't it?
Looks like it.
So this is coming up not too bad. This is only our second day. We got a good third of the deck off right now, and by the end of the day today, we'll probably have. Well, actually, let me rephrase that. We have a third of one side of the deck off.
I was wondering how you were calculating that.
Maybe by the end of the day, we'll have a third of the total deck off, which would be nice. And then while the batteries are charging, I'm starting to pull this tar off, which I don't know what the heck they used underneath it, but it's some kind of tar.
It's really sticky. I know.
I think it literally is tar. So, and then if you can see clearly underneath that is a whole lot of crazy, which doesn't make too much difference anyway, because we're going to re-glass the whole top of this deck anyhow, with all the screw holes in it. And then there's a soft spot kind of where Jennifer's sitting right now, and a soft spot on the upper deck right in here too. So we're going to have to do some core work in these areas at least. And we can't start sanding or anything until we get this tar off. So here we go.
Happy days.
Yep. So far we've tried 2 different methods on this. There's the rip it off with brute force, use the bar and tear everything up, which the bar works great actually and rips everything right off, but the bar also shears the old screws right at the deck. And every one of those that gets sheared at the deck is going to need to be over drilled to remove that, and it just needs more epoxy, and means another space where there's an epoxy to polyester change there, or laminate. So I'm going to try and pull as many screws out as possible, and then we'll go in with the bar and do the demo work after that. But Jennifer spent an hour and a half yesterday morning.
Yeah, about an hour and a half.
Pulled as many screws as you could, probably a couple hundred or something,
And broke a lot.
and broke most of them off like I just here. Actually, I just got like 5 in a row with
I
screws.
know, I can't believe, look at all those.
Prior to that, I got 2 screws out, I think, without the heads shearing off. So the more we get out, the better, though, with these smaller holes in the deck for the repair. So that would be the goal. So
Good thing we got here early today before it got hot.
yeah, we don't seem to be able to get here before 10:30.
We'll have to work on that.
Yeah. Anyway,
Okay.
off we go.
Here we go.
We have a ways to go on this side, so we'll see how we get today.
Okay. So we're only doing that on just a few, well, more than a few, but on the sections where the screws don't come out at all or they break off. We're trying to get as many out as we can the good old-fashioned way with the
Beast.
drill and the beast, just a few with the beast. Good work, babe. Good work.
Right?
I do the hard work, and Jason just carries it all over right there.
You could go show my side of the deck.
No, you weren't doing anything over there.
No, nothing?
No.
Okay.
Weren't you having a beer or something?
You know, if you take these screws out, they come off easier.
Hey. So funny.